From this video, you will get tips to prepare for C_SAC_2501 SAP Certified Associate, Data Analyst, SAP Analytics Cloud exam. C_SAC_2501 exam description. Exam information. Master the exam topics. Key benefits. How to pass the SAP C_SAC_2501 exam. 1. What source system can you connect to with a live connection? A. SAP ERP Central Component. B. SAP SuccessFactors. C. SAP Business by Design Analytics. D. SAP DataSphere. Answer: D. 2. You are using a live connection for a model. Where is the data stored? A. Public dataset. B. SAP Analytics Cloud model. C. Source system. D. Embedded dataset. Answer: C. 3. You import data into a dataset. One of the columns imported is year, and SAP Analytics Cloud interprets it as a measure. How can you ensure that it is treated as a calendar year? A. Change the year measure to a dimension in the dataset. B. Includes the year measure in a level-based time hierarchy in the dataset. C. Insert a character into the year measure using the transform bar. D. Add the month as a suffix to the year measure. Answer: A. 4. You have a story based on an import model. The transaction data in the model's data source changes. How can you update the data in the model? Note: there are two correct answers to this question. A. Allow model import. B. Refresh the story. C. Refresh the import job. D. Schedule the import. Answer: BD. 5. Your embedded dataset in SAP Analytics Cloud has columns for country, region, city, and customer name. You want to aggregate measures for these columns as a single column. What can you do? A. Create a group that includes the dimensions. B. Create a level-based hierarchy in the dataset. C. Create a parent-child hierarchy in the dataset. D. Convert the embedded dataset to a model. Answer: B. 6. What can you use input controls for in a story? Note: there are two correct answers to this question. A. Changing dimensions or measures displayed in a table. B. Filtering data on a page. C. Selecting an alternate data source. D. Implementing row-level and column-level security in a table. Answer: A. B. 7. How can you help a user enter data faster in a planning story? Note: there are two correct answers to this question. A. Select fluid data entry mode in the story. B. Enable optimize recommended planning area in the model. C. Set size limits for planning performance in the model. D. Enable unbooked data in the story. Answer: A. B. 8. You have a story in my files. You want your colleague to review and comment on the story. What must you do? A. Create a review task for the story. B. Add a comment widget to the story. C. Share with view access. D. Include the story in a discussion. Answer: C. 9. You have a column chart in a story. You notice some of the labels are missing until you mouse over the data point. How can you ensure that the labels are always visible? A. Increase the overall size of the chart widget on the page. B. Select the Avoid Data Label Overlap checkbox. C. Increase the font size of the axis labels. Answer: B. 10. How can you limit the refresh time of a story? A. Use canvas pages. B. Collapse the hierarchy. C. Create calculated measures. D. Implement a value driver tree. Answer: B. Subscribe and like past question.